we're going to be doing one of your workshops today. So tell me about Imbongi.
Imbongi is a 10-member crew and it's involved in music and dance, fusing all that with poetry because originally poetry was meant to be a performing form, not written and read.
And what are we going to be doing today in the workshop?
Today in this workshop you will be dancing, you will be singing. For instance, one of the songs that comes off my head right now is Shosholoza. You will be Shosholoza. Yes, shake, shake, shake. Yeah, sure.
And do you think people here will lose their inhibitions and dance?
Yeah, I think they'll lose some pounds, weight.
Great, we're going to lose weight. That's fantastic. I'll do a lot.
We are here to shed weight. Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Albert Nyati and Imbongi family are not just singers and dancers, but they are also African educators in arts and have been invited over and over again to local schools and theatres, carrying out workshops that will truly leave you mesmerized.
5, 6, 7, 8. Balega, balega, smiley. Balega, balega. Thank you for the smiles and the little bit of shaking. I like that. Thank you so much. Right now it's the shaky and the down and the shake and smile with a little bit of shaky to your head. It's the hey, and thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, now that you have seen how we conduct our workshops, why not join us when we do the real thing on stage? This is the time.
have it. I am sure you will all agree with me that Albert Nyate and Imbonyi are truly a remarkable African group. But do not take my word for it. Here are some comments made by some people who attended one of his shows.
If you wanted to have an experience about Zimbabwe, your man gave you the experience. How's that?
Very good. I enjoyed every minute of it. It's really good.
Oh, they brought sunshine. It was fabulous.
Very, very good.
I thought it was brilliant. I loved it.
They're always, they never fail to amaze me. They're fantastic.
This one for you. I will not speak. I will not speak.
For bookings, contact Crispin Thomas of CTM UK on the telephone numbers provided on your screen. Or you can visit the website on www.ctmuk.com/Imbonyi